Congratulations, Commonwealth. I'm so excited to hear that you're receiving the Outstanding Philanthropist of the Year award. I cannot think of a team that deserves this more. I also can't imagine what Festival of Trees and Lights would be like without your team with setup and tear down. It certainly wouldn't be as much fun. It has been an honor over the years to watch your organization grow with Blank Children's Hospital and how invested and important that commitment has become to your entire team. And that was really evident with the $100,000 gift that you made last year to Child Life. Once again, I'm just so excited, and it has been an honor to work with you over the years, and I'm excited to see what you continue to do for Blank Children's Hospital. Thank you, Michael, Duffy, and the entire team. You guys are amazing.
To the team at Commonwealth, thank you so much for your ongoing support to Blank Children's Hospital and our patients and families that we serve every day. On behalf of the Child Life and Family Centered Services team, we are so appreciative of your support and could not do Festival without you. Thank you.
Thank you, Commonwealth Group, for all that you do for patients and families at Blank Children's Hospital.
We wouldn't be able to do Festival without you.
Thank you for all of your support.
And on behalf of Child Life and Family Centered Services, we appreciate you.
Our company has worked in Blank and at UnityPoint Health for 30 plus years, and we see daily what they do. And it was a natural when this opportunity came up to help with the festival. Everybody got on board. We've got people that are just dedicated to this train that have made it work, to setting up, and it's just a passion of ours. We know it's going to a great cause. We love helping kids, and Michael's allowed us to do it all these years.
When it first started, we weren't quite sure what kind of response we'd get from our staff, but our entire group comes down, their families. We help set up, we help tear down. A lot of us are at Festival, we're involved with the gala. Michael and his team here in Des Moines have done a fantastic job. And there is no better charity, there is no better place to spend our time, especially during the holidays.
Commonwealth Electric really knows how to brighten up our day.